All right, today what we're going to look at is how you set up gift cards in your QuickBooks Online. I get a lot of questions from my clients on how you set up gift cards and how you would track those gift cards. So let's go through the steps. Our first step is to set up our gift card liability on our chart of accounts. Now, a gift card is what is commonly known as unearned income. And so we want to make sure that it's above our profit and loss and that we don't show that until after we have sold a product or service to that customer. We actually do owe it back to the customer until they have received that product or service. So it really is a liability and it's unearned income. So I'm going to go ahead and click on New. I'm going to come over here to my category type, and I'm going to choose my other current liability. I'm just going to go ahead and choose an other current liability here, and I'm going to call this gift card. Nice, easy way to track that. That's going to set up a liability. And so when we scroll down, we can see that liability right here, that gift card. Now the next step, whenever we're looking at this, is to go ahead and set up a product or service for that gift card. I'm going to go ahead and sell that gift card to our customer. We're going to click on our gear, click on that product or service, and bring up our products and services. I'm going to click up here on New. I always set it up as a service. We're providing a service, and that service is called gift card. We're going to go ahead and type in the name of the product. I'm going to uncheck this and say this is not taxable. So we're not going to tax these gift cards. We're going to tax the actual product or service when we are selling that to the customer. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to assign this not to an income, even though it does say income account. I'm going to point this over to this other current liability. That's going to create a liability out there until we're ready to use that. We're going to save and close that. I'm going to now sell a gift card. So I'm going to go to my home page. So we close that out. And we're going to come up here to our global create. And we're going to sell a gift card, and it's an immediate sale, and we're going to sell that to one of our customers. So I'm going to click on my sales receipt. It's going to bring up my sales receipt. The first thing that I do is choose my customer. So Dylan is actually going to be paying for this with a check. I document his check number. And this is a gift card. This is our liability, but this is pointed towards our liability, but it's our service called gift card. We're going to go ahead and bring in one of those, and it's $100. Just go ahead and save this, but I can print it out or I can send this to my customer then. When we're ready to track this, we can come over here to our chart of accounts, and we're going to click on this gift card area. I'm going to run the report. When we run the report, we're going to see all our gift cards that we have actually sold to all of our customers. Now, the next thing that you want to do to make sure that you have a report out there and you understand how much each customer has on their gift cards is to sort by your customer. Go ahead and run this report. I'm going to come up and save this customization. And I'm going to call this my gift card report. Come down to the bottom here and go ahead and save that. Now I've sorted this by customer. And so we're going to see this by customer. So you can see right here, I've got $100. If we would have additional customers, you would see those, each of those customers in each of those areas as a total. Now, Dylan's going to buy something, so he's going to get some design work. He's actually going to cash in his gift card for $100 of design work from our landscaping company. So I go ahead and I bring up Dylan. This was invoiced. Of course, I would not be bringing up a sales receipt. I would be bringing up an invoice. I'm going to set up a payment method of gift card. Go ahead and save that. And this is because we're paying just with that gift card. If we would have a balance and they would be giving us an amount towards that balance, then we can go ahead and document the amount that they're giving us for that deposit or that balance. And let's just look at a straight gift card. Now I'm going to come in and bring in my design work. We're going to go ahead and say this is $100. We're then going to bring in our gift card. Now instead of bringing in a positive number, we're going to bring in a negative to go ahead and subtract out the amount of that gift card. You can see that this was $100. This applied that $100. It's still tracking it on our products and services. Let's go ahead and save and close that. You can see our report is showing us that Dylan has now used all of his gift card. So that's how you set up gift cards and track them in QuickBooks Online.